Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. Last year was just the beginning. This year, Google is gonna be crushing it again, even more, giving access for free to different tools to people in general. Pomelli from Google Labs. So this is what we're gonna see here. Easily generate on-brand content for your business. We can maybe play here the video very quickly. Meet Pomelli, show your business, and so on. So just come here and check that video. And we're going to be experiencing that. Let's get started. You're going to get this trouble. Pomelli is not available in your country. You need to locate yourself into the United States, for example, to be able to use it. Google term and condition apply to your use of Pomelli and so on. So also you need to read all of those, the term and conditions and the privacy notice, because it might be used to train the Google models. Okay, because you provided here information about your business. So just be careful about what you're sharing with the tool. Here we're going to go into creating some content for our business, for example. You enter website, they make it so easy to understand. And second here, you get the campaign IDs, get a DNA for your business, and after you generate the creatives. So we've seen Google going for different kind of businesses, and this time is going to be for those agencies creating content for businesses. So I'm going to enter my business website. As you know, link is in the bio. Just you can visit it and help me improve it. So we're going to use checkerhouses.com, and now it's going to be generating the business DNA. I'm just going to wait with you. I'm not going to fast forward any part of the video so that you can see how it goes. So it's going to take about 5 minutes, but it's going to be quicker. That's why I kept it without fast forwarding it. But you can see here that it's going to be scrapping the website, finding the logo, so learning your tone of voice, writing your tagline, gathering colors, studying your brand values, determining your visual aesthetic, picking brand fonts, and putting images. And now it's done. So we got here the business DNA, a snapshot of the business that it's used to create social media campaigns. So we can edit some parts. I don't believe that you can edit everything. But here you can see I'm using Josephine San and Lato. I'm using those colors as the color palette. The tagline, Sanctuary, Serene, and Success Transform Your Home. And after here we have the brand values. Okay, sustainable, minimalist, organization, honesty in sourcing, transparency, the brand aesthetics, minimalist, thoughtful, bohemian, mindful, structured. So bohemian, this is not true. Serene and tranquil, encouraging, warm and welcoming. And after here, the business overview. Checkerhouses offer concepts, physical and digital products, to create a peaceful and productive home environment. The brands focus in improving environmental factors that positively influence human behavior for success and well-being, drawing inspiration from Japanese and African style of living. So here, brand values. Okay. Hospitality community. So maybe here I don't need to change anything, but you can see here you can add some different tags for that. So I'm just going to maybe add focus. I'm going to add work hard, work smart. And maybe, let me see the bohemian stuff. I might get rid of bohemian here, brand aesthetics. So this tool makes it easy to have a snapshot of your business image and to rebrand it somehow. This is nice interface to do that. Okay, tone of voice. Okay, nothing to change here. And after we get the images that has been picked from the website, some reviews about some of the previous projects, some maps about the places in the world where I've been running the experiment live. So I've been running experiments hosting people in houses and trying to improve the quality of living. And here I'm using this website to talk about that, and also to sell digital products and physical goods also. Now we'll use your brand DNA. Okay, so after, when it looks good, we can just press. I'm just going to get rid of this image here. It's not maybe the big towers. You see, those ones I can keep it. This one here, maybe this image. No, this one I don't need it. Okay, so from this I'm happy. The AI can can just build some different home. Start from our suggestion. So here we can prompt it directly, but I'm gonna be working on the suggestion based on the business DNA. So here we have 3 different suggestions. We are going to explore it, as it is also for me for the first time that I'm seeing this interface. So I want it to be intuitive and easy to use. That's why I do the discovery with you. Okay, so we have different kind of campaign, images with text. So using the images already present on the website. So that's where it's important for you to own all the images that you have on your website, so that you can freely use those into your ad campaigns. This one I like it. This one is nice. This one also. So I'm going to press the button animate. That's an option. Apparently this is a new feature. So it might use the text and the image, make some little gentle animations. It says about 3 minutes left. So while it's producing that, we can explore the interface. We have here a reminder of the business DNA. So Google is also an ad platform. I use Google as an ad platform, and this is a nice bridge between business, ads, and Gen AI in general. So designing your success. Okay, home environment can be intentionally structured to boost focus and productivity, leading to professional and personal success. As I believe the environment is very important in the way you can focus into your goals, the way you can be creative and productive, and learn new skills. So progress in general. And here we can see the other suggestions. Okay. So I might use those and just put those on, I don't know, Instagram or Pinterest. Archive, deep workflow. Okay. So let's see the generation here. The first animation that we have asked for. Let's play this one. Yes, we see the light changing, becoming bright after going back dark, with the text coming as an overlay, sliding, appearing to it. And here I'm going to do the same for this one here. That's a ZenPass. It's a notebook. So we're using computers, but I found that using a pen with a notebook and writing what you need to do today or this week. So not very far goals, just the goals that you have to, the short-term goals. It's very helpful, and it helps you to step by step reach your breakdowns of long-term goals. Call to action. Okay, so we can see here all the different elements, how the AI have broken down the different parts. So this is also good when you're creating your own AI agents and applications. It's good to take inspiration from Google, the interface, how the generation is being broken down, because here is using different AI, one for the text, one for the image. Okay, you see this nice animation? Very nice. I download this one. I might be using it somewhere. And after here, you can prompt from here directly different formats. Header, description. This is how it's broken down. You see, they make it very simple. Whenever I talk with ChatGPT, preparing my ideas in creating applications, sometimes the AI is so good that you want to just add more features. And you keep going, and it never stops. At the end, you create something which is not very simple. And the simplicity, that's what I've learned 2025, last year. You need to be more simple, just few features, just broken down into 1, 2, or 3, not more. And that's it. Same for the AI agent workflows. Here you can download the full set that has been done, the DNA with the creatives. So you just press this button here and you get it downloaded. Okay, very nice. That's good. Okay, we get a JSON. And we get the zip file that I have downloaded. The account settings. So this is important. This is about the data. Allow your data or don't allow your data to be used for future AI improvements. So I'm going to toggle this down for the moment. Even if Google is very helpful, I'm going to just turn it down, because the same when I have a Windows computer, I want it to be less bloated. I don't want it to be using all those AI features. I don't need it. That's why I use Linux in general, and I prefer Linux, having more control on what you want to share or not. Okay, so you toggle it up or down, and you can see the text change. So you can pause the video and read the text. We take steps to protect your privacy and so on. But yeah, this is up to you here to share it or not. Hope that you like this video. See you next time.